In today's video, I will walk you through how to use Bristles 3 Large Smooth in Krita. The Bristles 3 Large Smooth Brush preset is designed to simulate a large, smooth bristle paintbrush. It's a great choice for broad strokes, smooth blending, and painterly artwork with softer transitions. Press F6 to open the brush preset's docker or open it manually. Search for Bristles 3 Large Smooth and select the brush preset. For the best results, use a drawing tablet with pressure sensitivity. Light pressure creates thinner, lighter strokes, while heavier pressure produces wider, smoother brush strokes. Paint with long, steady strokes, and vary your pen pressure as you move. This helps create smooth, natural-looking transitions while maintaining a painterly appearance. If needed, adjust the brush size using the left and right bracket keys or the size slider. Larger brush sizes cover more area and are ideal for blocking in colors, while smaller sizes offer better control for refining painted sections. Use Bristles 3 Large Smooth when painting landscapes, portraits, concept art, or any artwork that benefits from smooth, expressive brushwork and broad painted shapes. And that's how to use Bristles 3 Large Smooth in Krita. Thank you for watching the video.